Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. This is natural gas weekly chart on natural gas, and someone was complaining about not getting my videos in time, so I attached my Telegram channel. You can go there and subscribe to my channel and also to this YouTube channel, and then you will get notifications each time I upload a video, and I try not to forget to upload them on the Telegram channel as well. Now, when we look at the weekly chart on natural gas, we had this bull run, then we got a pullback. This could even be a bullish flag here. Yeah, like we had one here and we had one here. If it's a bullish flag, then we need to get above the week of this doji. But then let me measure it. If this is a bullish flag, for now it still looks like a bullish flag on the weekly. Shall we count the wicks or just the body? Let's just look at the bodies. Okay, and let me put it on the body. On the body, the price target is over $7, 7.180. Good. So let's see what happens next week. If next week is bullish, then we are on our way to $7 level. At the same time, when I look at this candle, this is not a promising candle. Even though it seemed that we were breaking up above this flag, we still have this island on the weekly. Yeah, it's still an island. So, and this is doji. This is suggesting that we will pull back down below. And to me it seems that on Monday we are going to open with a gap down, probably. If not, there are two things that can happen here. Suggest if I look at these candles here, we will open with a gap down and start to fall, because this could also be a topping pattern with double tops. We got rejected here, and we got rejected there as well. So it suggests that we may have reached the peak and we are going to fall down on the weekly. Or because we have this previous weekly candle, it also suggests that we will still have some choppiness around this area, and then see where we are going to go. So that's the message of the weekly chart. Let's go over to the daily chart. That's natural gas on the daily chart, and let me show it to you. We could have an M pattern, which is, as I mentioned, not a bullish sign but a bearish sign. We may have reached the top, so this could be an M pattern suggesting that we may fall, and if we fall below the neckline of this M pattern, then we can have a price target. Let's look at this. I want to measure the price target here. Let's see if I can do that. So let's just look at the bodies of the candles from the top to the bottom, the body of the candle. Now let's measure it. We could fall down to 3.66, 3.7, even below that, because I counted the bodies. 3.6, 3.7. Once we fall below this neckline, we need to fall below that in order to say that we could fall further down. So Yeah, because we had a high here, a low here. This is still a higher low, it seems, on the daily chart, but we had a lower high. It suggests that we need to be careful. At the same time, on the daily chart, we have the 20-day EMA as support right now. So let's see if it holds. We bounce back. We had this week down. We bounce back. It's still support. So let's see what happens on Monday. Yeah, let's go over to the 4-hour chart on natural gas. Okay. On the 4-hour chart, we also have this M pattern, and we broke down below the neckline. Let me measure it. Maybe I have measured it in my previous video as well, and probably I remember I was tired and I think I was measuring it right, but let's measure it one more time. Yeah, it suggests that out of this M pattern, the price target could be 5.3, meaning we could go and fill this gap. Yeah, on the 4-hour we bounce back, but it's still it's still not an engulfing candle, so I'm not sure if we will continue our way up. And I think on the 1-hour chart I showed you something that I just miscalculated, but it already played out, so it didn't matter at all. But yeah, here we could see this M pattern on the 1-hour chart, and I measured it, and it has already played out very well. These M patterns, as you can see here, are bearish signs, suggesting we will have further downward move. We need to measure it to the neckline and put it to the neckline actually, and it has already played out, and we fell to that area. So to me it seems right now that these other M patterns that I measured are very reasonable, very valid M patterns. They have already been fulfilled on the 1-hour chart, and probably they are going to be fulfilled on the 4-hour and maybe even on the daily chart. So all in all, I'm sort of bearish on natural gas. So that's all for now. See you next time.